let's talk about currency exchange rate. This is the rate at which we change one currency to another. Please need to pay attention here because this is so important. We have a JPY pairs, and the non-JPY pairs. This is what I mean. This currency pair you're seeing here now, it doesn't involve JPY. Alright, so because of that, we pair non-JPY after the fourth decimal place. This is a decimal place. We count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we roll a line. Now, for those wondering the meaning of this USD, Euro USD, means that 1 euro can be exchanged for this amount. But before I go into that, when you see a currency pair like this, the euro here is the base currency, while the USD is the quote currency. Now, there's something you need to know. This base currency, such as euro in this example, always have a value of 1. So what it means is that 1 euro is equivalent to this USD. As like you can see here, 1 euro is equivalent to this. So whenever you go to a chart, you're going to see these digits. Let's quickly go to Euro USD chart. So here we are at Euro USD. So this is a Euro USD, as you can see here. Now look at these numbers to your right. After the decimal point, you have 5 numbers. What we are saying is that forget about the last number and consider the 4 digits after the decimal point. That is what we're talking about here. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th one you can see is small. So we say for non-JPY pairs, ignore this last number and consider the 4 digits after the decimal point. The 4 digits after the decimal point is known as a pip, while the 5th one is what we call the pipette. We shall see more of that as we progress. So this Euro USD, then this value attached to it means 1 euro is equivalent to this USD. That is how it is everywhere. Also, if you want to buy 1 euro, you will have to pay this amount of USD dollar, which is the same thing as what you have here. Now, if you want to sell 1 euro, you will receive the same USD dollars. This is how it's done in Forex. And now, here is something you need to know from the chart. This line continues to move. You can see the numbers are always changing, meaning euro will continue to appreciate or depreciate against the US dollar is never constant, it keeps moving. So as it keeps moving, the value changes. If euro USD moves from this 3505 to 3510, what's the difference between 05 and 10? The euro is strengthening against the US dollar, and the US dollar is weakening against the euro. That is what it means. Now pay attention here. Euro USD moves from this to this. So this is an upward movement because from the chart we just saw, the calibration starts from 0 upwards. So this is an increase in value. So we will have a currency pair like this and there is an increase. It means this euro here, which is the base currency, is strengthening against the dollar, is becoming stronger than the dollar. That is why it's going up. And once it's becoming stronger, it automatically means that the USD is getting weak for non-JPY pairs. Now let's look at JPY pairs, meaning pairs with JPY. From the last currency we saw, Euro USD, we can see that it's quoted to the 4 decimal place, which is 4 numbers after the decimal point. But the JPY's pairs are quoted to 2 decimal places. And that is because when you go to any chart on JPY, you will find 3 numbers after the decimal, because it's a JPY. Now let me take you back. Let's go see that. Now I want to open any JPY pair on the screen. Okay, here is one very well here. Can you see that you will find 3 numbers after the decimal point? Any JPY pair you see is going to be 3 numbers after the decimal. Unlike the first one, which was 5 numbers after the decimal. What we do in this case, we ignore the last one and we consider the 2 numbers after the decimal. So because of that, non-JPYs are quoted to 4 decimal places, while JPY pairs are quoted to 2 decimal places. So USD JPY equals this. It means that 1 USD is equivalent to 98.7 Japanese yen. This is a mistake. This is JPY. So it tells us that 1 US dollar is equivalent to this amount in Japanese yen. This is very, very crucial part of Forex. So I'm gonna have to touch on this again for proper understanding.